say something? Cat. I want the cat. She's so chubby.
I know.
Can I hold you? You let me pick you up?
Are you happy?
Yes, I love cats.
I know.
She's so majestic. It's a she, right?
Yes, it's she.
Farm life for a day. We never did an intro. I talked.
Well, this could be the intro, I guess.
Oh, she did not like that. She dodged you like how. I'm not gonna say that. So fluffy and majestic. Mwah.
So yeah, this is what we call the shed, and that's why I was
guys,
like, it's not.
She
a
only
shed.
has 3
Yeah,
legs.
she only has 3 legs. She's still kind
Okay, I'm gonna do some extreme.
We should have shown the house later.
So I just got a tour of the house. Pretty gnarly, man.
That's really bumpy, so.
We gotta talk loud. Kenzy's driving, and I'm low-key terrified.
Oh my god, I'm driving on the way back, so.
An actual car on the way back. Okay, so we're going to your
Big Raffles house.
her great grandpa's property, technically.
Yes.
It's a little Brisk Scout. It's perfect fall weather, even though it's technically not fall. She's driving, and I'm setting streaks. This is my streaks. So, actually, no, I don't like that as my streaks. I'm retaking the photo. There we go. That's good. It says here that you can fall and die, so I'm a die.
You're fine.
Are you gonna go, or are you just gonna... Oh, we're turning.
So, at my great grandpa's house, there's this old barn that we've never been in before, and we're taking the cat with us.
She's gonna protect us and
She's gonna protect us. So,
Why is the door frame so low?
I don't know. It's kind of creepy. Do you want to go in first? Carolyn's going in.
Oh, there's nothing really in here.
So, we might turn this into a Visco hangout.
What's the ticking?
I don't know. It's a bug of some sort, so I'm kind of scared. Do you want to get out of here? So this is it. Looks like a place where someone murdered somebody.
Yeah. Hold on. She's freaking out.
Yeah, so let's get out. Okay, so that was it.
That was it.
We're done with that. There's another barn over there, but I've explored that. Do you want to explore it? I don't care.
I don't care. Is it interesting?
I don't know.
Okay, then let's just
Alright,
go back.
we're gonna go back now, so.
I'm ready for pizza.
Get some
she took
pizza.
me turning old shed into Visco hangout. This is really good lighting.
I know, right?
It does wonders for my skin and your camera.
Yeah, camera.
We're changing your intro.
I was just not part of the YouTube channel anymore.
Yeah.
For certain reasons.
Yeah, it just didn't work out.
It didn't work out. So, like, it's just cute.
It's aesthetic. Aesthetic.
My grandparents started as that.
Aesthetic. I belong West Virginia. Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads, take me home. She just started recording with her nose. I'm having allergies.
Yeah, I'm sorry. We can get you medicine. We'll find it. My grandparents' house.
I'm good.
Once because after this, we'll go inside because my grandparents are gone, so it's not awkward if we're recording. Oh my god, why is this like really good quality?
That's what I'm saying.
Holy crap, we should go and rock and just record. Look at you, Mama.
Okay, we're about to trim some trees.
Yeah, we're about to trim
Trim the trees.
Trim the trees.
Trim.
There's like stuff in there that we need to trim.
There's stuff in there.
That's my grandparents' house. We'll give you a tour of that later. And this is the runway. So,
To go flying.
to go flying because my grandpa has an airplane.
Because we get high.
Okay. So yeah, maybe later he might come
I'm
out.
sober.
But no, it's fun because we'll like speed on this bad boy and we'll have music going and it will be really exciting.
four-wheeler.
Really exciting. So.
Bye. Okay, so we're back on
in the
gator. We are going to dump off all of the trees. I don't really want to drop Kenzy's phone, so yeah.
It's proven to be cold.
Ah! sneeze again. Okay. Yeah. Kenzy, you got anything exciting to say?
I'm pretty pumped. Now, which means we can go faster.
Yeah, sure. Let me put my water bottle in my pants. It's normal, I swear. Okay. So we're gonna try to go as fast as possible.
Scared.
Really
You ready?
scared. Yes.
Go.
Just leaning forward help. I have to sneeze.
You guys help me.
Oh my god!
Dude, that was only 30 miles an hour.
Everything's buzzing.
It's like melting.
Oh my god! I'm just gonna fly off and you're not even gonna know.
Come here. How I let out my aggression.
Every guy that's ever let you down screams their name as you run. Ah! Yeah, I can't leave my mouth open. We got some snappy glasses because we don't want stuff in our eyes. Kenzy, zoom in.